The title of this mini podcast is NB. N for Nancy, B for Bravo. Actually, N period, B period. While out walking Snuffy the black-nosed beagle years ago, I heard the sound of a woodpecker going through his morning routine. Same as me. Got me to wondering, does the woodpecker notice what it does, or is it simply a matter of that's what they do? The answer I got was, that's what they do. They don't notice. That makes them much like us, a species that goes around doing what they do without a lot of noticing. Automatic pilot is very helpful, especially when doing tasks like tying your shoes, but it doesn't fill the bill in many other areas of our life. We seem to walk from one trance to another throughout the day and rarely take the time to observe what we do. This creates a robotic feeling to life that we attempt to remedy with a pill or a potion or some activity to get our mind off doing what we do. I'm recommending the opposite. After musing about the woodpecker, the letters NB popped into my mind. I remembered from my elementary school days that it's an abbreviation that means take notice. It's absolutely freeing to take notice of what you're doing. Rather than writing on Facebook that it's hump day with only 2 more days left until the weekend, notice what you're doing. Your current escapism practice ensures that this moment is going to suck. Notice that you're sacrificing this moment to get to the next. That's what we do. We string together a bunch of unnoticed moments and call it a life we're attempting to escape from. When you begin to take notice of your waking trance, you create a space for something new to pop in. It's the novelty you've been craving. It makes life alive again. Imagine a 4-year-old in a sandbox having this conversation in their head. God, I was in the same stupid sandbox yesterday. Can't they find a more exciting place to take me? It's the same thing every day. Shovel bucket, building stupid sandcastles, and I've had it with this fresh air and sunshine routine. I've just got to find a bigger sandbox with a canopy. The 4-year-old notices what they're doing in the moment, and it brings them joy. We can learn a lot from 4-year-olds and woodpeckers by simply noticing. The woodpecker snapped me out of my trance that morning. By becoming present and curious about the sound it was making, it also made me notice the environment I was in. I could now consciously smell the air, see the flowers in bloom, feel the spring in my step, and hear the early morning sounds that surrounded me, rather than the blather that was going on in my head. Thank you, woodpecker, for making me take notice. It's this simple. When you're in your head, you're dead. Dead to the life that's always present. The remedy? You just have to take notice. All the best, John.